Hi friends, today we are working on writing the letter C. Now, we learned the letter A, we had to learn the letter C, so this should be a piece of cake. The letter C is a very magical number, we've learned that, because so many other letters are made from a magic C. So we really need to practice this so all of our letters can be amazing. Now, magic C is a puppy dog letter. Do you remember what that means? It stays in between the white lines. Giraffe letters are big letters, like capitals, or maybe the letter H or the letter K. And then worm letters are the ones that go below that bottom line, like the letter Y and the letter G and the letter P. Right now we're working on a puppy dog letter, and it needs to stay in between these two lines. This is a simple instruction if we remember our rules. Here's my right hand. When I make my magic C, it's going to go towards my left hand, except for my one lefty. Remember, you got to remember this backwards, and I'll show you that in a minute. Magic C starts at the top line, and I do a magic C and touch that bottom line. Now for my lefty, remember it's going towards my pencil hand. So it's going to start at the top, come around as a magic C, and touch that bottom line. Mrs. McClune's not a lefty, although that's a pretty decent C. Let's try it again. I'll show it to you one more time, and then I want you to get your whiteboard and your dry erase marker out. Touches the top line, magic C. Notice it's not going above or below my line because it's a puppy dog letter. All right, let's practice on our whiteboard. Go to the 10 frame side because that gives us a bottom, a top, and a bottom line. Here we go. Magic C. Do it again. Magic C. Let's do it 5 times. And remember, when we fill in a 10 frame, we always fill in all top 5 before we go to the next line because it helps us count by 5s. Magic C. Magic C. Magic C. Once we do that, and we can practice this 20 times. I know yesterday I had friends that were practicing their numbers 20 times on the 10 frames, and that's amazing. The more we practice, the better we get. Once we're finished, we erase with our finger because, again, it helps us to remember how to make our letter. Magic C, magic C, magic C, magic C, magic C. Now, before we write in our handwriting book, let's get our whole body involved. Well, maybe not our whole body, but our arm, which helps get our brain, right? Okay, so there's my doorway. Do you have your doorway or window ready? Oop. Remember, the top of my doorway is going to be the top line. The bottom of my doorway is going to be the bottom line. Here we go. Magic C. Ooh, I went way far off that one. Let me try that one again. You try it too. Boop. Magic C. That's a long, tall C, isn't it? If we're practicing the lines. All right. Now, you know I have no idea what page number Magic C is on. However, I'm pretty sure it's towards the beginning of your book. Find the pages that have the C on it and practice your letter C's. When you're done, go to Class Dojo and the assignments part, and I have a special assignment that says to turn in your letter C work there. That way, Mrs. McClune's organized, and you get credit for all of your awesome work.